Hi everybody, welcome to a guided lesson in Android programming, 4th edition, the Big Nerd Ranch Guide by Kristen Marciano, Brian Gardner, Bill Phillips, and Chris Stewart. Today we're going to go through the challenge problems of chapter 3, I believe. And it was, make sure that we can see. Okay, perfect. So, challenge, preventing repeated answers, and challenge, graded quiz. If anybody's following along, I hope that they took a swing at it on their own side. I could upload my GitHub of my config, but the only problem is I don't know which all documents I would need to or want to put on GitHub, depending. But I'll see if anybody would like me to add my solutions to the GitHub, to my GitHub. By all means, I can. Just a little update. Today's going to be just these challenge courses, but if it's pretty quick, I might just hop into the next course in the next video and record it tonight. You'll see. You'll be able to tell if I'm wearing the same shirt and robe. Put on the robe today because it's late, and also I didn't want to dox myself because this shirt has personal information on it. Okay. So. Ooh, hot tea. Challenge. Preventing repeat answers. Once a user provides an answer for a particular question, disable the buttons for that question to prevent multiple answers being entered. So you try, and you get the toast, and then we want that to prevent more answer attempts. So I'd hit it once, I get the toast, and then probably at the same time that I get the toast, I'm going to get the no longer get the option to do another one. So let's go to the main activity. Let's go to the question bank, which is a list of questions. What is a question, though? The constructor question. GeoQuiz question. But what is a question, though? Do I have a function called question? I'm just looking back through the source information here to remember even what this information looks like. Check answer. Update question. This is the question bank. List of, and then elements. T from Java just means it can be of any object type. GeoQuiz.app. Maybe a question is a maybe question that KT was built later on, like automatically generated. Well, I'm not too worried about it. I'll figure that out later. Okay. So I'm looking for the toasts. So you want to check answer. Let's open. I don't know. There's no opening that up. Okay. Actually, let me make sure my audio levels are good before I get too far. Testing. Okay, looks good. True button. On click listener. Check answer. So when I hit true or I hit false, it's checking answer. And I would like to @check answer. gonna show the toast. Right, this was that weird context issue I was having trouble with. So when I check the answer, I'm gonna store the correct answer. And you want to check if user answer is the same as correct answer. You toast, but then nothing happens. And I want to make sure that we disable the buttons. Okay. So I'm not getting rid of the buttons, I'm just disabling the buttons. So I could do something where, like, the check for the button, if it's already been pressed, how would I do it so that it only runs once? I could just have something as an integer and just say something like, if you hit the button, it moves to 1. I just basically want to make them untoastable so that you can't check the answer next time. So it's onClick listener. I'll set an if statement in front. So I'll create a new private constant in the main, private late initialize variable, private value, private variable, current index equals 0. Okay, I'll just add it afterwards. Choice number is 0. So down here, if I can't remember the shorthand for if statements, for one-line if statements, so I won't use it. If choice number less than 1, oh, it's KT, right? Oh my goodness, there's no, oh no, I can't use the semicolon, okay. I was about to panic. Although I don't think it cares about semicolons, okay. Alright, let's run it. I'm gonna flip it over. Gotta resize it. How does it look? Thank you. Thank you, Gradle. Where did I put that? There you are. No. Will I just move? Okay. Gonna put you along with this text. Because I don't need you. Okay. So what this should do is, actually I'll put it over here. True, correct. Let it disappear. Oh, right. My mistake. I need to... Same if statement down here. Once again. True, correct. Halt. Okay. I guess I could do it, I guess I could do it as a, I really just care if it's 0 or 1, or 0 or anything past 0. So in that sense, I could just make it a true and false, but this is fine. This is just quick and dirty. Alright. Challenge, graded quiz. After the user provides answers for all of the quiz, display a toast with the percentage score for the quiz. Check answer. Where is check answer? Is check answer in here? Okay. Check answer is in the same one, so that's gonna be easy. Private var score equals 0. Score plus plus. So we need to go through all questions. But I want every time I get to the next question, okay. So when I go to next image question, it's going to update the question, it's going to update the index, and it's also going to set choice number equals to 0. And I'll do something dumb and simple. I'll say if current index equals bank dot size minus 1. I guess technically it should be on the last toast. If question bank, if current index equals it could be 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it'll be question bank is equal to, then that's the correct toast string. Ah, okay. So I just need to make a new string. I'm gonna call you. Oh no, it's gotta be a... No, that won't work. Let's see. I'm gonna look up how to use a... What would be the best way for me to put this? So can I save Vivaldi now? There you are, okay. Toast message. Custom text. How can I change default toast message color? Background color. Oh, I legitimately can just put it as text. Okay. This is easy. You give the amount of time. Okay. Oh, yeah, duh. That's what toast.length short is. Oh my goodness. Okay, yeah, right. If it's equal to that, then... Ah, crepes. Worked too hard for me. Let me see if I can concat data into quotes like you can in Java. So you got a plus, and then score divided by question bank size. I don't think that's gonna be right. Nope, and you can't see it. Alright, hold on. Sorry, still getting the kinks out. What I'm doing is, if the current index equals the question bank.size, so it'll be 5, so it goes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I don't think it's ever going to get to question bank.size. Question bank.size minus 1, so it gets to the... Oops. Gets to the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, because the size is 5. If the current index is 4, so that'll come up, but then immediately we're going to do also, you got a score divided by question bank.size minus 1. Alright, let's try it. I don't think this is going to work first try, but, you know. True. Okay. When I hit a true, it fails, meaning, there's an out of bounds error in line string resource ID. Activity 128. Fatal exception. So it's the on-click listener that fails because check answer. Yeah, this is the one that it crashes at. The user provides the answer for the quiz questions. Display a toast with the percentage score for the quiz. Yeah, maybe I can't do both toasts at the same time. Let's cut this out. Try again. But that was really bad. That crashed. I didn't even like attempt. There it goes. Alright, hold on. Let me kill it. Try it again. Whoop. Is it only trues that are failing out? That would be wicked. Oh. I see. It's only trues that are failing out. Okay. No, I don't know what's happening. I don't know what's wrong. Alright. So it's breaking in check answer. Specifically on this toast. Let's try this toast. That looks pleasant. What? How is it just broken now? Oh, I forgot to pull that one out. Okay. Alright, my mistake. Let's try it again. Choice number and score are the only ones that I added. Choice number goes up here. Current index. Is it because I put the score plus plus in here? Yeah, that might be it. Because it's really... Yeah, okay. Okay. This must solve this. Not must. This might solve it. Yes. It's the last question. Okay, it didn't quite. Just I got a 0. Which doesn't seem right. Oh. It's always going to be... blah, blah, blah. It's a percentage score. Okay. So percentage is out of 100, so it's... Your score minus the question bank minus 1, so technically the score could be... That's 5, so it's 4... No, there are 5 questions, so it's really... by question bank dot size. But I want to... how do you... Gotta do times 100? Alright, let's try it. True, next, true, next, true. 4, 5. 6. You got a 66. I'm going to toast this every time. $116, yeah, that's not going to exactly work. But they didn't ask anything about terminate, rerun it, true, true, false, true, 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 83, okay. Alright, I did it. It's not exactly perfect, but they just asked for, after the user provides answers for all the quiz questions, display a toast with the percentage score for the quiz. I've done it. Alright, it's a little sloppy, but they didn't ask for specifics of, they didn't want it to roll over, or they didn't want, they wanted you to display the one and the other at the same time, or display one toast and then display the other one. It doesn't say when you hit the next arrow for it to not go to the next question, or to reverse back to the first. So, given their ambiguousness, this is my ambiguous answer. So, thank you very much. Hope you solved it. Hope your solution was less messy than mine, but see you later.